no shit. You feel me? Listen. Yeah. Goddamn, I want a red bone. Thick little mama see the with her hair long. Yeah, bet she run it. Credit more than 700. Yeah, swag it up and let me fuck her when I roll whenever. Stay with her on cheddar, no propeller. She way flyer than a message, bitch. The living redevelopment life. Yeah, definitely like. Say it reverend, I'm just messing with you. Haha, back to the record shit, I'm at your shit. Nigga, buck 50 shit on the blade, and boy, you're a swisher, but you don't smoke. Get it, your lungs are dysfunction, nigga. Get a puncture wound and pump up in him. It's showing now, his mouth is muscle, we don't own a pound. But hold a pound, let's split a pound, see how I broke it down. Nigga, yay, flawless spitter. But ain't nothing harder, fighting demons, hoping God is with you. You feel me? If I had to take the charge, I stay silent. When you behind bars, but right bars, you better keep your guard up, nigga. Don't get no parties, nigga. And I don't need assistance, I'ma leave that to my business partner.